This is a rough sketch of a bridge rectifier I had shown a few days back. Now I'll try to build one using a breadboard and the components shown in the figure. If you look at this zoomed image, you can see that there is a ring here. There is a ring here on the one end of the rectifier diode. I have roughly made the bridge configuration. This diode will correspond to this one. This diode will correspond to this one. And this diode will correspond to this one. Now I have placed the capacitor in such a way that the positive pole is here. This will correspond to this region because it's in the same line, in the same row. You can see that it will be here.